In my pot, I have 2 cups of frozen peaches along with a few dashes of clove, a half a cup of agave syrup, and 2 sticks of Ceylon cinnamon. And I'm just going to let this cook down until the peaches are nice and softened. So while that cooks, I'm going to work on my dough, which I have here a half a cup of agave powder, a dash of sea salt, and 1.5 cups of white spelt flour. And I'm going to add a half of a cup of grapeseed oil, and then you want to mix that in until it's nice and crumbly. And once it's kind of similar to this texture, then go ahead and add in your aquafaba or your sparkling spring water. Aquafaba for me works best for a flakier crust. You want to add about half to 3/4 of a cup or until it forms a dough ball. Then chill your dough ball for about 20 minutes. While the dough ball is chilling, you want to go ahead and finish your filling. I've added about 3 tablespoons of white spelt flour, and I'm going to let that cook down. So my dough ball has rested. I cut it in half. I put half into my baking pan to pre-bake it on 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. I did poke a few holes in it, and this is what it looks like once it's done. Now my filling is ready, so I've gone ahead and added the hot filling right on top of the dough, and then I'm topping mine off with the other half of the dough. I've sprinkled a little Ceylon cinnamon, a dash of clove, and some date sugar on top. Bake that for about an additional 20 to 30 minutes, and then I let that rest for about 10 minutes before cutting into it. And this is what it looks like once it has been served up, and it is nice and delicious. I find that the aquafaba really makes the dough nice and flaky, but again, you can use sparkling spring water as a substitute. And there you have it.